G'day, g'day. Welcome back to another episode. We're just out at Wilbinga again. We're at a new spot we haven't been to before. It's quite high up actually on the dune, so I'm hoping that that keeps me out of the water. Doesn't seem to be a lot of weed around, but the particular spot has a lot of reef. So I've kind of picked a gap that I'm hoping I can send it out through and hoping I can bring it back in through. So we'll see how that goes. I'm here super early today, so we've got a lot of afternoon left. Yeah, so we're just gonna crack on, see if we can pull a fish out of that water. And if not, I'm heading out again tomorrow morning and we'll make this a two-part series. Before we get into it, just thought I'd run down here to the reef while the tide's low and have a look around in the rock pools, see if there's anything floating around in there. As I said, I've got plenty of time, so why not enjoy myself a little bit. Oh man, that water is fresh and those rocks are sharp. What's in here? Anything? Nothing? Gotta be something in here, right? Alright, you guys have a look. Anything in there? Who knows? I can't see anything. Oh, these rocks as well. Slippery and sharp. What have we got in here? All seem to be a bit empty today. I've been using my own rigs for the last few weeks, but I'm going to go back onto the Mafiox drone rig because I've still got two of them, so send them out while I keep bloody losing them. And if you're not already onto it, Lube Sport sinkers. They are the cheapest sinkers you'll get anywhere in Australia, I believe. I think these work out to about $4 each with shipping, which is unreal. So, Lube Sport, jump onto those guys. Bit of herring today. Cut that into halves because we've got the two lots of hooks on today. So we'll send two baits out, see what grabs hold of it, because we're not going for pinkies obviously. But if a pinky grabs on, I'm taking it home. Nice tail on the bottom. I don't know if it makes a difference, but that's where I'm putting it today. Beautiful. And as usual, lots of bait cotton. Alrighty, first drop on this beautiful day. God. Well, that was a bit sketchy. The leg off the drone had half fallen off and was just kind of hanging there. And I thought I could try and fix it in the air because I knew I couldn't land it. And started trying to take off and go all sorts of ways. So I was stressing for a minute, but we're all right, we survived. We've come out on the absolute perfect day. It's like, I don't know, 19 degrees, a little bit of breeze. The swell is down, there's hardly any waves. It's bloody nice out here. Oh, alrighty. Let's see if I made a good decision to put this out there, see if we can actually get it back. Bloody heavies. So I've got some weed. Oh, there's a fish on there. All my bait's still on there. One of those. Looks like I got a bit of weed on there. Looks like I might still have my baits though. It doesn't look like I've lost them. Well, from up here it doesn't anyway. Soon find out. See if we can not get snagged on these rocks as we come in. Oh yep, no dramas. Bloody snagged on a bush down the hill. Of course, always the way. Oh, at least we got everything back. Oh, shit, son. Oh, he was a monster. Bloody hell. Oh, we lost one, but we still got the other bait. So, sorry about that one. Get it straight back out there. Alrighty, drop two. Let's do it. Something having a play with it. Go on, rip it. Shout out to Bomb Diggity and Salty Fishos. I love that you guys cook up a mean feed every time you go out. So I thought I'd prepare a feed of my own. Brother, look at this. How fancy is that? Ooh, doesn't get much better, does it? Not many steps to cook them either. I'm gonna dig into these. 10 out of 10. Gotta give this recipe a go yourself. Good. Have some shapes, you dickheads. I don't know if you can see it, But how's the birds behind me just punching on over some shapes? Fucking morons. What are you doing? There's plenty of shapes, mate. I'll share. You wait, by the end of this, I'll have these things all trained. They'll be mine. Yeah, birdie, birdie, birdie. Better send them out to get fish for me. We're still doing nothing, so come have a look at this. This is pretty sick. Oh fuck, how have I got my keys? Alright. Come here, come have a look at this. Somebody come have a look at this. Look at Smarty Pants installed. Brother, look at that screen. I don't know if anyone else has a Patrol, but they come with a piece of shit stereo. And I know how to use eBay. So I ordered this thing and I installed it myself. And it fucking works, so that's good. There was a good chance it wasn't gonna work because I suck and because eBay quality stuff sucks. But yeah, it looks mint, hey? Very flash. Man, I rocked up here and someone's obviously been camping or whatever. And you know, they've smashed the bottle of paddle pop. Oh, fucking paddle pop, passion pop. There is another bottle of passion pop over here. And then, just over here next to the car, there's two unopened little fat lambs. Like, that must be how bad they are. But no one even wants them there, so nah, fuck it, we'll just leave them here. So, I mean, I'm not going to drink them. I'll take them out with me, chuck them in the bin, but I'm not drinking that shit either. Unreal, but the boys also, whoever was camping here also left me some firewood. So once it gets cold later, I'll be lighting that up and enjoying their little gift they left me. Not the little fat lambs, but the firewood. That'll be mint. Getting a little bit of action. Thought that was gonna hook up then. Just missed on the camera though. Oh, go on. Let's do this. What do you got for me, Ocean? Come on, don't leave me hanging like this. Don't leave me hanging, bro. Come on. Come on, big fish. Where are ya? Nothing. Silence again. Bloody hell. The time's got to come eventually. Has to. And it couldn't be much bloody longer. I want the big dog. I want a pinky like this big. Give us a Jew dog. Give us a monster Jew dog. If you've been wondering, I left my bloody chest harness at home. Remember the second camera? I left the chest harness at home. What a dickhead. So, I know I'm going to keep this in my pocket, and when I run down there to pick up my big fish, I'll try and film it with this. Won't be as good, but at least got a second camera and I don't have to grab this whole tripod and try and carry it down, because that's a mission. And we've tried that a few times, it doesn't work great. couldn't help myself. Got this thing cranking. It is beautiful on my feet. Doesn't get much better than this. Well, other than catching a fish, but this is still pretty bloody good. Oof. Lovely. Alright, this thing's been out here for like an hour. Let's see if we can actually retrieve it, eh? A bit paranoid about where I'm sending it. Oh, it's a lot lighter than last time. Hope that means I've at least lost my bait and it wasn't a waste of time dragging it in, but find out soon enough, I guess. Oh, mate, it is quiet out there. Brought back 1.5 baits after about an hour of soaking and a couple of nibbles that I thought were going to hook up. This one is totally untouched, I believe. Yep, untouched. And this one's had a good crack at it, whatever it was, and it's just left the very end of the head, like just its eyes and mouth. The other half of the fish is gone and piggers have eaten the inside of it out. Another big head send out there, a bit bigger than the last one. I think the hooks are a bit small on this 70-pound rig. They're only tiny little things. When I'm making my own rigs, I'm using like 8.0s. These must be 6s, if not smaller. But we'll keep using the rigs until they're gone because they were free, so can't complain too much. Alright, that should do it. Big sexy bit of bait. How tasty does that look? Don't you just want to smash that? Oh, I would. Alrighty, third drop. Gonna send it out a little bit further this time. They've been about 200, so I'm gonna send it out about 350 this one. Seems to be a bit of a lump out there according to Navionics. Mate, what is this nonsense? There's just like hundreds of midgies in my car. Cough. Sandflies or whatever. Like, last time we were out here, Luke had the biggest cry because he got bitten by them all. I was itchy for like 3 weeks. It's the last thing I want. Go away. Let me be. Oh, I once went in my fucking ear. Fuck off. We've got 9%, we'll run her dead. And I get a bite as I say it. So now the camera will definitely turn off as I hook up. All right, fresh battery. We've got like 90 minutes to get a fish now. Go, go son. Absolutely beautiful conditions to be fishing. Another spectacular day that I've earned after all these wet weather trips. Sun's starting to go down, rod's starting to go off. It's a little bit cool. Got the fire going though, so that's all right. This is mint. Oh, come on, let's go. Bend that rod in half, please. Well, I'm going to sit in my chair while this thing continues to play with it. Hurry up, hook up, please. Haven't got all night. Oh, go on. Just hook up. Go. Oh, that rod's gone bloody quiet now. Nothing hooked up. I think those hooks are just too small, eh? So I'll use this rig till I snag it and lose it, and use the next one till I snag it and lose it, which won't be long. And then we'll put those bigger hooks out there for some 8.0s that will go out lovely on there. Get a bit more hook exposure. Oh, as I say it, some more bites come. Always the way. Look how this happens in every video. As soon as I start talking about it going quiet, we get bites. I'm sick of bites though. Grab hold of it and don't let go. Didn't even need a seat, this is mint. Well, that's me for the day. Absolute cracking sunset we got to watch, got to sit by the fire. Didn't catch any fish. That's alright. We'll be back tomorrow and give it another crack. I'll see you then. back out here, and it is cold as usual. It's absolutely freezing this morning on top of this dune. With the wind coming through underneath the car right now, my legs are frozen. Oh, we're back into it. Just turned up, realised I forgot my mic, so that's sick. So the sound quality now is a bit shit out, so that's fine. So I'll make sure I try and stay close to the camera when I'm talking. Yeah, let's get these baits out. There is some good news though. I did remember my harness today. So it's not one thing, it's another. Yesterday was the harness, today it's the mic. We'll get there in the end, promise. Maybe. Alrighty, first drop ready to go. Oh, how fast will we drop it? I reckon like probably that same month as yesterday, like 350. Give it a crack. Worst case scenarios, we'll come in a bit closer. Oh, that feels good. That is nice. Shit blokes for leaving your rubbish everywhere. But I appreciate that you left the firewood too. Oh, we snagged it up. Oh, come free. Come free, yes. still got all my bait. I used to have little goes at them, but really, it's still all there. So, send them straight back out. Unreal. If we're on here, this is ridiculous. I've been out like 200, 300 meters all yesterday, all of today. And just then I was bringing it in, and there's like a nice cloudy patch here that's maybe 50 meters out. And as I was winding, I could see I still had bait, so I was like, I'll just leave it there then. And as soon as I stopped there, it started getting hits. So if I catch a fish right now, and that's where I need to be, I'm gonna be pissed. And I'm gonna send out another bait there though. But at the moment, it's getting peppered. Maybe we can bring in a tailor or something. Oh, this is me luck though. There's a rig right here. Yeah, I'm gonna too. Freak. There you go, no fish. Big rock. Alrighty. Gonna have a quick crack with the Timu special. How good's that look? If I catch a fish on this, that'll be fucking funny. I might as well just give up fishing at that point. Like, if I can't catch something on my big rod and I catch something on this, I'll be pissed. It's pretty unreal, this thing. It's shit, but like, it pulls out to 3.6 meters, which is crazy as fuck. If it wasn't so flimsy and shit, it'd actually probably be a pretty cool idea. I assume there's better ones. I assume they make genuine ones of these for a few $100 or something. Yeah, but this thing's a big joke. It's so bloody flimsy. But let's see. Let's try our luck. It'll make for a good video if I catch something on it after all those hours putting on the drone. So I'll do it for the lols. Oh, I think I snagged straight away. Well, that was fun. That was heaps of fun. Timu rod's pretty strong, but alright, let's snap this off and go home. Oh, I got him back. Oh, let's keep going then. Thought I'd snapped it off. Let's cast a bit further this way though. Try not to do the same shit again. It's 11:15. I think it's time to call it a day. What a couple of sessions. Put in about 10 hours over the last 2 days. Battled through freezing cold, absolute sandstorms all morning today, and still we've come up empty-handed. What do we need to do? What do we need to do to get a fish on? This is probably the worst drought I've ever had since I started filming. That seems to be the only thing that's changed. I used to catch fish before I filmed. Oh, that's what they all say though. Anyone want to take me to their secret spots? I'll put you on YouTube, it'll be sick. But no, for real, if anyone's got any great spots, if anyone wants to share their honey holes, come on, help a bloke out. You can't say I haven't put the hours in. Put in bloody crazy hours at starting this channel. Oh, what can you do? Good couple of days out bush, on the beach. It was still pretty good. It was still pretty relaxed. Got to just hang out and enjoy the scenery. Yeah, anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Keep this channel going. And we'll see you on the next one. See you legends.